Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 1, Lesson 4. We know a sentence needs a subject and a predicate. Now we'll look closer at each one because each comes in two sizes, the complete part and the simple part. Subjects and predicates, simple and complete. Let's start with the big picture. Every sentence splits into two parts, the subject part and the predicate part. Take this sentence. My older sister makes vegetable soup for dinner. The complete subject is every word in the subject part, my older sister. The complete predicate is every word in the predicate part, makes vegetable soup for dinner. So complete just means the whole side, every word in it. Now zoom in. Inside each side, there is one main word that carries it. Inside the complete subject, the simple subject is the main noun or pronoun. Here, that's sister, the word the whole subject is built around. Inside the complete predicate, the simple predicate is the main word too. And here's the key fact. The simple predicate is always a verb, a word of action or being. Here, that's makes. Sister makes, the bare bones of the sentence. So how do you find them? Two quick moves. First, for the subject, strip away the little word the and any describing words until you reach the one main noun underneath. That main noun is your simple subject. Second, for the predicate, find the verb, the word that tells what the subject does or is. That verb is your simple predicate. Main noun plus its verb, and you found the core of any sentence. Let's work one through. The hungry campers cooked breakfast. First, split it. The subject part is the hungry campers. The predicate is cooked breakfast. Now strip the subject down. Drop the, drop hungry, those just describe, and you're left with campers, the main noun. Now the predicate. What did they do? Cooked is the verb. Simple subject campers, simple predicate cooked. Here's your quick check for any sentence. First ask, what is the one main noun the sentence is about? That's the simple subject. Second, ask, what verb goes with it? What does that noun do, or what is it? That's the simple predicate. And never forget the rule that makes it easy. The simple predicate is always a verb. Find the main noun, find its verb, and you've got the core. Let's try a few. In this first set, find the simple subject. Strip away the little words and the describing words, and pick the one main noun the sentence is really about. Pause and try each one before I answer. The dingo is a dog-like animal. Strip away the little word the, and the sentence is about the dingo. Animal sits in the predicate, and dog-like only describes it. So the answer is dingo. Female wallabies carry their young in a pouch. The word female just describes them, so strip it away. The one main noun is wallabies, the creatures the sentence is about. So the answer is wallabies. 650 species of birds live in Australia. The numbers count it, and the phrase of birds only modifies it. Strip those away, and the main noun is species. So the answer is species. Now find the simple predicate. Remember, the simple predicate is always a verb, the action word that tells what the subject does or is. Pause and try each one. Forests cover the east coast of Tasmania. Forests is the subject, the doer. We want the action word. What do the forests do? They cover. Cover is the verb. So the answer is cover. A lungfish breathes with a single lung. The lungfish is the subject. What does it do? It breathes. Breathes is the action verb, so it's the simple predicate. So the answer is breathes. The ocean offers 70 species of sharks. The ocean is the subject. What does it do? It offers. Offers is the action verb, so it's the simple predicate. So the answer is offers. Let's wrap up. A sentence splits into two sides. The complete subject is every word in the subject part, and the complete predicate is every word in the predicate part. Inside those, the simple subject is the one main noun, and the simple predicate is the one main verb. And the simple predicate is always a verb. To find them, strip the subject down to its main noun. Then find the verb that tells what it does or is. Main noun, its verb. That's the core of every sentence. Next time, we'll see what happens when a sentence has more than one of each. Great work!